Alright, to begin, position the playhead to where you want your scrolling text to appear. I'm just going to press the N key on my keyboard to move the playhead to the end of my timeline where I want to add some credits. Now let's go over to the graphics panel so you can see these controls on the side of your preview. Select the text tool and click anywhere in the preview. Now you can start typing the text you'd like to scroll. I'll just paste some names in here that I already copied. Next, let's use the selection tool to reposition our text in the frame. In the Essential Graphics panel's Edit tab, you can click these buttons under Align and Transform to automatically center your text in the frame. Next, let's click outside of our text to deselect it so that we can see this roll option in the Essential Graphics panel. Now simply check the roll checkbox and you'll have some nice looking scrolling text that starts off screen. To change the speed of your scrolling text, all you have to do is drag the end of your text clip with the selection tool to change its duration. Alright, and that's it for this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.